Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we'll show you how to go live on Coverstar. The first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your Play Store. Then you want to search for Coverstar streaming application. And as you can see, it is here. You just have to download it. It's like TikTok, Instagram, and so on. You just have to open it. And you need to know that the feature of going live is only available for some people as for trial only. So when you click on this plus icon in the middle, here as you can see, this is me, your favorite tutorial recorder Zane Zone. Now you can simply add a sound if you want to add a sound. You can click on the timer on the top right side. You can flip the camera if you want. You can change the microphone. You can change the speed. You can go to gallery and add some gallery. You can add some filters, but you cannot actually go live. And in order to go live, you'll have to fill in a form. So let's try to search with you. Let's say Coverstar streaming form, for example, live stream, but now I will add form. Okay, it says that it is alternative to kids. It isn't anymore. The kids used it in a very bad way. But in brief, you just have to fill in a specific form, and this feature is only available for some people, not all people. But if you have it, you can do this by clicking on this plus icon. Then go and here you will find a specific button for going live. And this feature is limited for some people, not all people. And that is it. If you find this video helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.